What is Java Burn Review? And the moment of truth is finally here. So is Java Burn legit? And does it work? Yes, we can confidently say that Java Burn is a legit dietary supplement that helps and support optimal metabolic function for faster weight loss results. It instantly accelerates the body's metabolic rate and makes it much more efficient to burn fats fast. Java Burn contains 100% natural ingredients, all of which have been proven over and over by science to promote weight loss. Refer to the ingredients section for the list of each ingredient and its benefits. It's an easy-to-use supplement. It comes in a one-time use sachet that you mix with your morning cup of coffee. It's tasteless, so you will still have your coffee flavor intact. And the best part is that you can add to any type of coffee, from the light blend to the dark blend. And to top it off, there are actual Java Burn customers who are standing beside the multi-beneficial properties of adding these 8 patent-pending ingredients into their morning cup of coffee. I am Jeffy. Today I will show you our in-depth and brutally honest review of the Java Burn weight loss system for new or struggling affiliate detail possible about Java Burn to ensure that you make an informed purchase. From how it works, how to use, the right dosage, side effects to answering some of the most popular questions we came across during our research. We covered it all. If you are interested in making your first order, link in description. You have nothing to lose here. If it doesn't work for you, you can return the product within 60 days and have your money back. We covered it all. If you are interested in making your first order, link in description. You have nothing to lose here. If it doesn't work for you, you can return the product within 60 days and have your money back.